guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a quick and late unboxing of the S25 Ultra. I picked the titanium silver blue, so this time I'm going in with the blue theme. There was also a pink version, so the pink gold and jade green, and the main colors like white, silver, grey and black. So this time, however, the colors are slightly different, which I will show you in a bit. I got a bigger storage because there was an offer. If you pre-ordered, you could get a 512 gigabytes of storage for the price of 256 gigabytes. Also, on top of that, I ordered within the Samsung app, which gave me a 10% discount. Overall, I paid £1,124, where it should have been £1,249 for the 256 gigabytes. So definitely worth it. As you can see, the box does not give away the color anymore. There's just like a tiny sticker on here. All right, let's dig in. Ooh. Wow, that is a beautiful silver titanium blue. Light blue metallic shimmer. It's giving me iPhone 5S vibes. I don't know if anyone else can see that. I do like it. It's different. It's different. I think it's the same procedure. We have the usual start guide. I was thinking actually, if eventually they'll turn it into QR code, so you just scan it and see all the paperwork there. Next we have a SIM ejector tool, USB-C cable. The phone is it feels a lot slimmer than the S24 Ultra. The titanium does give it that premium feel in my hand. And you can see rounded edges, so bit different design. The phone feels a lot harder in my hand because I do have to grab it quite tight, and it does like imprint in my hand, so I wouldn't say it's that comfortable, but maybe with a case it would be a little bit softer in the hand. If I just compare it to S24 Ultra, that phone was definitely softer in my hand. I don't know what it is about the sides. They're a little bit rounded here, whereas on the S25 they're more flat. So this is probably why it feels a lot more sturdier in my hand. I can already see like fingerprints at the bottom, and it does catch a lot of fingerprints on the side too, so I think it would be quite a good idea to have like a clear case for this phone. The camera system looks really cool. It looks bigger. The lens does give that illusion. The camera's a lot bigger. The camera lens also reminds me of the Z Fold 6. Let's now see the screen. And I do like the rounded design because I feel like it'll be easier to put in my jacket pocket. I think with the edges, sometimes on the S24 Ultra, it was harder to like close my pockets. So I do like the better practicality with the rounded edges. We have a speaker, charging port, and the S Pen on the bottom of the phone. This time the S Pen is very concealed. At first I couldn't see where it was. Ooh, and we get the color with the S Pen. Ah, how pretty is this? The AMOLED display is gorgeous, super vibrant. I can see like the deep blacks in the display. And of course we get the 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. There has been a design upgrade with One UI 7. We now have the Now bar. This sits at the bottom of the screen and it works kind of like Apple's dynamic island. So it shows you the notifications, live updates, and quick actions. Now let's talk about the camera. We have 200 megapixel wide angle camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide with 3 times and 5 times optical zoom, plus up to 100 times digital zoom, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Now, there's been a lot of noise about the AI cleanup tool, so I think this is like the most popular AI tool at the moment. Making quick edits where if I want to get rid of something, it will basically erase it and make sure the rest of the image blends in together like there was nothing there. So this is a really good and more accurate feature compared to like the iPhone cleanup tool. The S Pen, however, did have some changes. It's no longer Bluetooth enabled, so I can't take it out and take a photo anymore or do like the swirly whirlies for quick actions. Now under the hood we have Elite chip, making everything buttery smooth from the gaming to multitasking, and with a 5,000 milliamp battery. So this is like the biggest battery I've seen, and yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a battery test on that. So overall, the S25 Ultra is not that much different from the S24 Ultra, but we do get slight upgrades like a more efficient chip, stronger display, and slight improvement in the camera works, which I will have to do further tests on. And yeah, I think it's just a nice design. I did like that Samsung did more solid colors, but it does look premium, and I like the shimmer, like in different angles you can see the blue more, and then you can see the silvery metallic color more. Feels lighter in my hand. It's slightly different to hold. I don't like holding it at the moment, but I'll see how I get on and see also the battery, because I'm excited to test out the better battery. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought in the comments, and also what's your favorite color for the S25 Ultra. Hope you have enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!